Hi. Ooh. Tombstone Meatball Parmesan. That looks pretty good. Ooh, very cheesy. That worked. Oh, it's gonna be cheesy and soupy. Oh, cheese pull. Oh. Whoop. Oh. It is so hot. Why am I baking? Good Sunday. Man, it's 2 pizzas in 2 days. I have leftover pizza in the fridge. Yesterday, I did use meatballs. I made a meat lover's pizza. But I wasn't happy. I didn't put the sauce on the meatballs. I didn't put the cheese on the meatballs. It didn't look right. This looks good. It's simply meatball parm. And I thought of slicing them, but I like the bumps. We like the bumps. We gotta try it. Great value home-style meatballs. That one looks better. Let's switch them. Let's switch them. Okay. Oh. Tombstone Meatball Parm Sunday. Let's take a bite. I like biting into the bump. That's really good. Over the last several weeks, we've made a bunch of fancy pizzas. Yesterday was a little bit more fancy with the meat lovers. We had meatballs, we had ham, we had sausage, we had bacon, we had pepperoni. Sometimes simple is a good thing. It looks good. Doesn't that look good? Just a little bit more sauce. Cheese is pulling. The Pomi tomato sauce, I can actually taste a little of the garlic. Oh man! I was gonna sprinkle parsley. Why did I forget the parsley? It would have looked really nice. Now it's not on the thumbnail. Man, just a little bit. Oh, that would have looked nice in the thumbnail. All right, fuck the parsley. Okay, it's okay. I gotta watch my blood pressure. It's Sunday. It's Tombstone Pizza Sunday. It's not Saturday, it's Sunday. Tombstone Meatball Parm Sunday. Ooh. I can take a bite and you get a part of the bump. Bump! For its simplicity, this is delicious. I think I said that recently. It's just simple and delicious. Part of the bump. Very good. I love the extra sauce. Hey! Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm gonna say. What am I gonna say? It's Tombstone Pizza Meatball Parm Sunday. I really like this one. It's just simple and delicious. Thanks for watching. Go!